Hello everyone. I just wanted to share a little mini toolbox I painted. This is the US General brand from Harbor Freight. San Francisco Giants, the orange and black. Everything is stenciled and painted on, so it's actually not a decal. It's actually paint, all automotive solvent paint. And of course, this is how it comes originally, the US General. And here's the final result. Of course, very nice, very shiny. Now for those who might be asking, these little louvers here, it's best to take them off by going side to side. Instead of pulling them down, you can actually damage them. But once you loosen them, you move this out from the side and it'll slide right out and it won't damage it at all. And then they'll slide right back in after you're done painting. So I actually took it all apart, painted it the orange. And it was polished and buffed with the Milwaukee, the little 3-inch buffer. It's a lot easier to control that way than a large buffer. And there's the final result. I hope to paint several of these and post more, and if you have any questions, feel free. I'd love to answer anything I could as far as paint wise or prep wise. Thank you very much for viewing.